Good morning. It's a bright, not so cold morning today, but it's wet. Rained hard last night. Actually, rained hard. Not really hard pala, but rained all day yesterday. Just wanted to show this Siberian iris. They're all blooming right now. So we have white, purple, and blue, or blue-violet, and they're looking so good. And then my knockout roses have started to open, so hopefully the chipmunks will not get it. And these are our dianthus, basang-basa. Ayan, okay naman. So, eto, dami nang nakuha ng chipmunk na to. Ayan. Kinukuha niya tong ito naman ang pinagpupunteriya. Ayan, bahala na sila. Nakakainis na. So, yan. So, I think ito naman kinukuha niya. Anyway. Ayan. So, bumili kami ng plants para meron siya makain. Kakainis. So, babantayan ko naman tong mga lilies. Ito laging nahuhulog dahil may butas doon. Eh, nako. Diyan pa yan, trap yan. Anyway, ayan. Ayan ang pinipunteriya nila. So, ito, I plan to transfer this soon sa sa ground. And then here, the peonies. Okay na sila. Ayan. Dami na. And we have a nest here. Kaya hindi ako masyadong dumadaan dito. There's a nest. There. So, ipaplant ko yung ibang dalawa siguro here. Dalawang hosta. Isang hosta there and one there. Oh, meron na ring buds to aming pink rose. Dalawa. Yung rose ko sa harap, naputol yung taas. I don't know if a chipmunk went up and sa pag-akyat niya naputol. So, ito rin, lapit na. Lapit na mag-open. Wala na una, it's so wet. Okay. Very cloudy day. Nahulog na ang mga foxglove flowers. Ganda-ganda. Lakas kasi ng ulan kahapon eh. Ayan, ganda. So, yung fern, mukhang buhay naman. And, dami-dami na weeds. Hi. Tapos puro butas. Butas sa ilalim. Ganda ng mga flowers. Naghulugan na ang mga iris dahil sa sobrang maulan. Ito, ako may mga kagat-kagat na ulit ang leaves. But I have 2 buds. One lang pala. Hi, my dahlia. Tapos ito na naman ang mga weeds sa gitna ng roses. Peony. Mukhang hindi na nag-a-advance yung buds. It's just one. Mukhang wala kaming flower. Peony flower from this bush. Pati ito parang natuyo. Hindi ko alam kung matutuloy yan. Dark eh. Ito, I'm not sure about my, baka kinain na to sa ilalim. Ho, ho, ho. We have yellow rosebuds. Yellow rosebuds. Today is Memorial Day, so I can hear drum beats. Butas-butas na naman. Ay, nako. Okay, salvia. Ito. Ang ganda nito, Weigela. Bumulaklak na siya. Ang ganda, red, pink, fuchsia. So nice. Ito ang aming, mukhang nangingitim na uli. Maybe it's too young. They say if it's still too young, hindi pa siya mag-flower. The bleeding heart. Okay. May kumain ng aming Eucharella flower. May pumutol. Sabihin ko pa naman, feature ko kasi may white flower na. Ay, nako talaga. How do you get rid of all this eating? Palagay ko chipmunk yan eh. Kahapon ganda pa ng flower niyan. I think I was able to take a video. To get it on video. Nag-iisang flower. Inalis. Ay, nako. Nakakainis. Pati nga yung aking what do you call that? Begonias in pots. Hinukay-hukay. Ayan, meron na namang butas doon. Ho, ho, ho. And the rose. Ayan, ikaw ha? Chipmunk. Ay, nako. Ayan yung rose na putol. Dapat yata nagbabantay ako dito sa harap. Para nakita niya may tao. Ay, ang ganda nito, oh. This is the hopscotch euchara. Ang ganda ng ano niya. Ang ganda ng patterns. O, nag-akanan na yung may tignan mo, may butas na naman, oh. Kaya ang lambot-lambot ng lupa dito eh. Kasi daming butas sa ilalim. Ay, ko dapat, para lahat mawala yung butas. Hindi ko daming butas dito sa ilalim. Nahuhulog siya. Kaya i-press ko yata lahat to. Daming butas. Just wanted to show our peonies. Dami na. Dami na today. Meron na nga nahulog. Ito dito sa side na to, wala akong ring eh. Pero may ring pala. Kaya lang mabigat siya talaga. Ayan, ganda. Ganda, ganda. Dapat yata kunin ko na yung isang yan. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang dami na nila. Ayan. So nice. Ito, delphinium, ready to bloom, I think. Ang dami-daming butas pa rin dito. Anyway, yan ang aming peonies. And I already planted one of the Big Daddy hosta here. Yan. Tapos ito yung isang hosta, yung dati. Laki na niya, ganda niya. Yan. Ito, medyo blue. And we have a bud here. Okay. Na-disturbo ko na naman yung ano. Na-disturbo ko na naman yung bird na may nest dito. Ito, madami na namang butas. This is the latest rose. Okay. May butas-butas na naman. Kalimutan ko kasi dapat di ako dumadaan dito sa tabi niya. Anyway, so update on our other hostas. Yan, madami na siyang leaves. Yan. This one. And this one smallest. And mukhang buhay ang aking kinuha na na yukera. Kala ko mamamatay na eh. Hopefully siya yan. Yan, yung bud. And meron ng buds ang aming, what do you call that? Cone flowers. And malapit na siguro din mag-bloom tong aming peach rose. But we already have red roses sa knockout. Yan, nakatago siya. Nice. And the other one. Yun. Ko alam kung bakit may parang doon. Petals. May kumain ba yun? Is that from the rose? Or from this one? Anyway. Ganda-ganda ng mga Siberian Iris namin. Dumami na sila. Dati kung mas konti yan eh. Nanganganak. Ang ganda. Yan. And the Dianthus. The lily. Lumaki na. Ay, lily. This is the dahlia. And then, yung mga marigolds. Kinuha ko from sa side. Nilipat ko siya dito. Para dyan na siya lumaki. Yan yung mga volunteers. Volunteer marigolds. And yan, foxglove, nahuhulog na yung mga tanim. Ay, mga petals, mga flowers. And here, my, what do you call this? My sunflowers started to sprout. Ayan na siya. Tinakpan ko ng basket kasi para hindi kunin ng mga ibon. And I think dito yung tomato ko pero wala pa. Ay, parang may isa nang lumabas. Kung yan. Kung tomato nga yan. Pero dito, I think eggplant ba to? Eggplant and okra. Ayun, may isa. Yan. I forgot kung okra yan or ano. And I planted the roses that mommy got from her vacation. And hopefully mabuhay sila lahat. Sana mabuhay sila lahat. Ito meron ng dahon. Okay, so this one is the yellow one with the rose. Yellow rose. Nialis ko na yung blooms kasi pa-fade na siya. Okay, and this one, oh, nag-ano na yung Asiatic lily namin. Although baka maliit lang kasi nasa pot. Anyway, it's safer. Ito, meron na rin siyang buds. Ayan, may buds na yellow to eh. Yellow. Ito, tatlo. Itong black namin hindi na tumubo. Ay. Anyway, that's what the garden looks like. Look at our foxgloves. Tangkad na. Ang ganda. Sana hindi siya hanginin ng malakas. Tangkad. And the dahlia, tumataas na din. And dianthus, may ano pa rin. Ito malapit na our Siberian iris. Knockout roses. Nag-umpisa na siya. Yan, blooms. Yan. Itong peach, wala pa. Yan, malapit na. Ito, hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng flower. And I'm going to take a walk. But I just want to take a video of our peonies. Yan, dami na. Kahulugan ng iba. Yan, dami. And all this, forgot the name. Umpisa na siya mag-bloom. Okay, gotta walk first. May butas na naman dun. And the salvia. Ang ganda. Maganda siya talaga pag makapal. Ayan, ganda. Okay, have to walk first. But then, na-mulch namin. Konti na lang. Making progress. Okay, walk first. Hello, we bought clematis. I think last Tuesday. It's from Monrovia. It's a pink champagne clematis. So, or clematis. So it is a climbing plant. And it's full partial sun. It was on sale. And it says it's reblooming. So it blooms early summer and repeats in fall. Hardiness USDA zones 4 to 9, so -30 to -20 degrees Fahrenheit. The stems, twining stems, quickly reach 6 to 8 feet tall with support. So like that. So still have to learn how to grow this. So it is, I think it's growing still, but I need to clean up the bottom. It has dried leaves. And then update on our roses. So it has new leaves there. I don't know what color they are. And this one, more leaves. This one is the only rose that I know the color of. It's yellow. So the others, no leaves yet. No leaves. This one, I think it's growing. Oops, where is it? There. New sprouts. Oh, there. There. And the bottom. And our Asiatic lilies. There. Maybe I should put fertilizer. So here. And I don't know my tomatoes, if these are tomatoes. And then my sunflowers, they're in a cage, and even though they're in a cage, the chipmunks are trying to dig in. And there. And this one is supposed to be okra. There's only one that sprouted. Okay, the dahlia. Our peach rose, ready to bloom. Not quite yet. And then the rose, knockout, red knockout rose. There. I have full blooms here. Siberian iris, still looking good. And this one, I don't know what color this, what kind of plant this is. And our coneflowers, lots of buds. And ulit-ulit. Malapit na matapos ang aming lupin. But I think it's adjusting well. Dahlia, another dahlia. This is the pink dahlia. Oh, I have to put support. And then foxglove. Ganda-ganda ng foxglove. Laki na nitong isang, what do you call this? Sedum. Nasa gitna siya ng dalawa. And here's another sedum. Tapos this one is supposed to be forsythia. Hindi naman nag-yellow. It's not turning yellow. And then lamb's ear. And this one is hibiscus, or I think Rose of Sharon. Pink chiffon. Pink chiffon. What is the baby of hibiscus? Oops. And then our fern is recovering. And this is sabia. May butas na naman doon. And this is the white hibiscus. White hibiscus. And still pretty, very pretty pink flowers of our euchera. Yan. This is the, what do you call? Pallas Coryphetes from Monrovia. And this one is the other one. Small, but it's still flowering. And these are from, what do you call that? Power. This is the pink, pearberry ice, I think. Pearberry. And this one is the wild rose from Proven Winners. This one is Pallas Coral Bell. Forgot the name, from Monrovia. And this is another pearberry ice. Natakpan na yung pulmonaria. And I don't know what plant this is, but it has nice flowers. And another dahlia. This is our rose. Ang daming kagat. The pink rose. May bud din dito. This one, I think our peony will not will not flower, will not bloom this year. Wala na yung buds eh. No more buds. They dried up because there was a frost that happened last, I think, March or April. And this is another dahlia. This is a rhododendron. Another euchera in between. It should be maybe in front. Takpan siya ng mga peonies. This is another peony, pero nawala na yung buds niya. And this is the mums. I pinched it yesterday. Yarrow. Many blooms. And this one also, yeah, our yellow rose has bloomed. And this one is ready to bloom also, pero natatakpan siya ng peony. It's a yellow rose also. Tapos our white yarrow, ayan na siya. Blooming na pala siya. Yan lang ang blooming so far. And then this pink flowers from the plant, I don't know what it is. Okay, yun lang. Just wanted to show that. And this one is a salvia also. Oh, yung rose ko. It has a bud. And this one, caramel euchera. Malaki na siya. And our coneflower here, meron na rin buds. And the dimeta, may buds na din. Itong isang coneflower. Maliit pa yung isa. Isang coneflower, wala pang buds. Ganda ng ano nito. Weigela. And this one is the, I forgot, this from Proven Winners. And this one is for Meyer. The euchera. I forgot the name of this one. Silver something. Silver gumdrop. Silver gumdrop. And euchera. And this one, nice, very nice flowers, but I don't know what plant this is. And our other hydrangea, meron na siyang buds. Nice. And our eucherella, wala na ulit flower. Ito, nagpa-flower na rin siya. Yan. Ganda. May flower na din. Ito rin. Si small hikara. Ito, wala pang flower. Our pink rose has a bud. Small bud. Itong, what do you call this? May buds na rin. Hydrangea. It has buds. This one rose. No buds yet. Ito yung naputol eh. And our hibiscus. The red marble. Yun na. Red leaves. And our yellow rose. Meron na siya ulit. True bloom yan na yellow rose. This one is from the Costco. So, meron na siyang tubo. And this one, yarrow, pink to. It has buds. And our coneflower here also has buds. And look at the hopscotch. Meron na siyang flower. Ang ganda. Nice, nice. So everything is going well. Ito ba? Getting ready to flower, to bloom. Okay. Our mulch, konti na lang. Maliit na siya. Asiatic lily. Salvia. This one is Veronica. Veronica. Hibiscus again, or the Rose of Sharon. Pink. Pink. Oh, forgot na. This one is a salvia. Ang ganda, no? This one, I forgot what this is. Veronica yata ito eh. And our peony, mukhang hindi naman pa magpa-flower. Nilagyan ko pa ng ring. And then our Asiatic lily. And this is the other rose. Doing well. Wala pa siyang spots. And may butas na naman dito. And this one is the catmint. Laki na niya. But the other one naiwan. Small. Di kasi naaarawan eh. And we have a nest here. Yun sa loob. There's a nest. Yan ang aking mga euchera. Aming euchera. Yan. Nilagyan ko na ng slug, anti-slug. So hopefully hindi na siya mabubutas. Okay, the blue. And then this one, I think this is, I forgot the name. Ayan. Sa mga past video ko. Kaya I love taking videos para I'll remember what the plants are. Okay, so yun, medyo lumalaki na ba siya? And our pink has a rose also, rose buds. And this one, the oriental lilies, meron na rin siyang buds sa tuktok. Okay. Kailangan bantayan, makakainin na naman ng mga kung ano-ano. Okay. And just an update on our ito ang mga hosta. Oh, laki na niya. Lipat ko na dapat to. This one also. Ito naiwan pa. Ayan, my green euchera. Okay. That's it. Kala ko hindi na ito matutubo. So, okay pa din siya. Okay. And as you can see, our peonies done. Okay. Cornflowers. And the, what do you call that? The I forgot na. Okay, anyway. So many plants. It's hard to remember the names. Okay, bye for now.